Hi, I'm Chef Belinda and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy one-pan meal. Meats on one side, vegetables on the other side. So here I have my chicken. I've already pre-seasoned it and I'm using an all-purpose spice blend. You can use salt and pepper or your favorite blend. Now we're going to prepare our vegetables. As you can see, I have some potatoes that are quartered and some Brussels sprouts that I've cut in half. To these I'm going to add some salt, some pepper. I'm going to add some minced garlic, as much or as little as you like, some grated Parmesan cheese, and some olive oil. And then with clean hands, I'm just going to toss it with my hands. And then I'm going to pour these vegetables on the other side of the pan. Everything's going to cook in the oven at once. When it comes out, you're ready to eat. So here's our one-pan chicken dinner. We're going to put into the oven, 400 degrees for 20 minutes. So while our one-pan meal is in the oven, we're going to make our tomato salsa. You can see I have about 2 cups of cherry or grape tomatoes that I've cut in half. To that, I'm going to add some pepper, some salt, a little bit of minced garlic, again, as much or as little garlic as you like, that's up to you. We're going to add a little balsamic vinegar, some olive oil. Going to mix that up with our spoon. Add our basil that's been cut into little ribbons. And just set that aside and let it absorb the flavors until it's time to serve it over our one-pan chicken meal. So it's been 20 minutes. So now we're going to take our chicken pan meal out of the oven and top it with some Parmesan cheese. Now we're going to let our chicken cook another 5 to 10 minutes just until the cheese melts, and then we'll take it out of the oven and finish it off with our tomato salsa. So our cheese has melted, and here is our finished one-pan meal. We're going to top that off with our tomato salsa, and we are ready to eat.